What's up YouTube? Scott the Car Guy here again with another video. For this video I'm going to walk you through the process of getting your vehicle tinted. I'm at the tint shop right now just waiting for the owner of the shop to get here, but we'll see you inside. So I have never had my windows tinted before. He took a roll of the tint film and cut it to the size of my windows on the outside. That way it was just kind of like a test fitting on the outside. Now here he's making it so that it fits the window perfectly, and then you can see in a second here he's got the heat gun and he's pushing out any of those bubbles and doing some minor cuts to it to make sure it fits perfectly. Then once it is on the outside, he moves it onto the inside of the vehicle and just sprays some soapy water on the inside of the windows and then applies the film. I'd say the whole process took about an hour to complete. So here it is, the final product. I got 35% tint done, front and rear, as well as the rear window. I think with the black exterior, it just needed to tint the windows a little bit. Didn't want to go too crazy, because in PA, we kind of have some gray area as far as tint laws go, but I wanted to get a little bit of color. So I think next are going to be the rims, and then possibly this trim piece right here. I just don't know how I look with it being chrome like that. And then on the front bumper, these silver pieces right here, I think I'm going to black those out as well to match the black grille. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm going to be posting some more videos of this 335 project, so make sure to stay tuned. Until next time.